Hello, this is Gihan Perera. What decisions are you making with AI? Now, I don't mean what decisions are you making about using AI. I mean, how are you using AI to improve and enhance your decision making? This is one of the three big areas that almost everybody can use AI to improve and enhance what they're doing at work. So one is in productivity, two is in enhancing the customer or client experience, and three is AI for better decision making. I was speaking at a conference recently for OpenText. They had a summit in Melbourne and they invited a lot of their customers and clients along and many parts of their community. Now, OpenText is an IT company. It's highly tech oriented and they do a lot of work in AI, and of course they help their customers and clients do that as well. But I was so pleased that most of the conversations at the summit were about people first and AI technology second. It's about using AI to help people. So, and this was true because my presentation was about that. The senior leaders at the company were talking about that. The panelists were talking about that. Customer representatives who were speaking were talking about that. And it's so important. And especially in an area like decision making, you don't want AI to make the decisions for you. Now, there's some areas where you do want that, and it's things like fully self-driving cars. Eventually, AI will be making all the decisions. There won't be a steering wheel or brakes in the car. But for most things that we're using AI for, you can use AI to augment and help us with making better decisions. And this is exactly why I say people first, technology second. The technology supports the people, and it's humans and AI are better together. If you'd like to know more about this, I'm running an online presentation soon. It's free, it's public, it's open to everybody, and it's about people-powered AI. It's using AI to enhance what we do as people. Please register, you'll find the link here, and because it is open to everybody, feel free to share it with other people in your team and your network as well. I'll see you in the future.